Hello all and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can provide protection to the Hasselblad lenses on the new OnePlus 9 Pro. The process will only take a few minutes and all that is needed are these camera protectors from Olixar. Within the pack you get 2 protectors, which is incredibly handy and great value for money. Everything that is needed to install the glass comes within the pack. The tools consist of a wet wipe, a dust removal sticker, guide stickers, a microfiber cloth, and of course the protectors themselves. To start, take the wet wipe and clean away any dirt or grease from off the camera lenses. Next, take the microfiber cloth and wipe away any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. We can now turn our attention to the glass protector itself. Place a guide sticker at both the top and the bottom of the glass. Now remove the glass from the plastic card. Avoid touching the sticky side of the protector. Then lower the glass onto the lenses of the device. Use the guide stickers to help you do so. The marvellous lenses of this handset are now receiving high quality protection that has been made to last. If you are someone who enjoys smartphone photography, then I strongly recommend providing some form of protection to your lenses, whether it's through a case or a glass protector like the Olixar ones that I have here, as you do not want anything to permanently disturb the quality of your photography. The glass does slightly raise from off the camera notch, though it is a very small price to pay considering the protection that it is offering. The camera quality does not suffer from the glass's attachment, allowing you to continue taking pictures of the things you love. If you would like to use Olixar's tempered glass camera protector for your OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 9 Pro, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.